Sometimes the most comforting meals aren't fancy. This chicken sukka smells like Sunday afternoons at home, the kind that makes you forget everything else. If you haven't tried this style yet, you're really missing that homely Goan comfort on your plate. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. In this bowl I added 250 grams of boneless chicken washed and chopped, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, juice of half lime, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now I'll mix it well. Then add few curry leaves, 2 small green chilies slit. Now we'll keep this aside. Next we'll heat oil in a kadai. Deep fry 2 sliced onions until they turn golden brown and crispy. The onions have turned golden brown in color. Now I am removing them from the kadai. Divide the fried onions into 2 portions. Add 1 portion into the marinated chicken. Now I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. I'll mix it well. I'll keep it aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Now we will place a kadai on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Now I am adding 3 cloves and half inch of cinnamon stick, 1.5 tomato chopped. Next goes in few curry leaves. Saute until the tomatoes become soft. Next goes in the marinated chicken. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Now I am adding the second portion of the fried onions. One red chili, few curry leaves. Mix it well. Add salt as per your taste, mix well, cover and let it cook. Once the chicken pieces are cooked, sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped and mix well. Now let the chicken dry. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. The water has dried. Turn off the flame. Our delicious chicken sukka is ready. Chicken sukka turns out beautifully, coated with masala. It's one of those dishes that don't need anything fancy, just some warm rice or bread on this side. It's one of those dishes that brings back memories of Sunday meals and family gatherings. Made with simple ingredients but cooked with love, this recipe gives that real Goan taste right in your kitchen. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.